Hello, OET champions. If you're stuck at 4 or 5 in OET reading part B, listen to me carefully. The problem is not your English, the problem is your strategy. And today I'll give you 20 laser focused tips that will help you score a full 6 out of 6 means 100%, even your English is average. Along with that, I'm giving you 20 tips to score 100%. Reading part B is all about understanding the writer's purpose, tone, and key message. But students lose marks because all options look similar, time runs out, and distractions confuse them. In this video, I'll show you how to think like OET, not like a school grammar student. So you choose the correct option with clarity and confidence. Hi, I'm Dr. Arshnu from Dr. Arshnu's OET Institute, your OET success guide. And if you've not subscribed my channel yet, subscribe it right now so that you should get the latest updates on my channel whenever I'm uploading new video. First, I'll take the challenges and solutions. Let's see the biggest problem first. Problem number 1. All options look similar. And the solution is don't look for matching words. Look for matching intentions. Means don't try to focus on the keywords. Always think upon the gist. Understand the gist, meaning or the crux of the text. Second problem, misleading distractions. And the solution is eliminate answers that look true but not the main idea. Again, don't focus on the keywords and find the answer which is the main point, means the gist of the. Third problem, time pressure, and I'm giving you a very easy and the best solution for that. Use the 70-second method, means 15-second question, 40-second scan, and 15-second decide. That means 50 seconds you should read the question, understand that, and 40 seconds you should scan the text. Don't try to overindulge in this. And 15 seconds you should decide the right answer. Problem number 4, overthinking. And the solution is trust the evidence in the text, not your assumption. Means always try to find out the fact or the evidence which is written in the text. Don't assume the things. Now, 20 tips to score 6 out of 6 are following. First, read the question first, then passage. Second, ask, what is the writer trying to achieve here? Third, focus on signal words like however, must, unless. It is a very important tip because sometimes the meaning changes when there are set up of the words indeed, however, must, unless. You have to read this thoroughly. Fourth, use the 70-second rule per question. 70 seconds, one question. Don't read everything, scan for purpose. 6. Immediately eliminate 2 weak options. It will not only save your time, but you will not be distracted. 7th, right answer is equal to main idea, not small detail. Sometimes you are getting confused by small detail, which might be the example of the text. So always go with the main idea. You have to read the complete passage, complete text, then decide the right answer. 8. Avoid answers that are true but incomplete. Means that look similar to true but they are giving incomplete information. 9th, match meaning, not words. Again the same thing, that is gist should be considered at the top priority. Don't go with the keywords. Don't get confused with the keywords. 10th, watch the reference words such as this, these, they. 11th, read the tone, means warning, suggesting, or guiding. So, what is the tone of the author? 12th, stop overthinking, go with logic, not fear. Don't get anxious. Be calm and try to find out the answer, keeping your fear away by keeping yourself calm. 13th, ask, does this option reflect the whole paragraph? Again, I'm telling you that don't try to find the answer from a small part of the text. It should be found in the crux of the text. 14. Don't assume anything outside the passage. You might be the master of something, but when you are attempting OET test, you have to follow the text only which is given to you. 15. Summarize the paragraph in one line mentally. Means you just read the paragraph and try to summarize it into one line only. What is the crux? What does it mean? Then go with the options. 16th, look for actions and instructions in the policies. 17th, be alert with negative questions. Not accept. These words should be highlighted. 18th, stay calm as panic kills comprehension. And 19th, know the 3 passage types. What type of the passages are there? Guidelines, emails, or notices. And the last tip for today is practice 10 timed questions. Means daily, that is speed plus accuracy. Now, if you want part B questions, bank worksheets and mock tests, comment B master or DM me in the word reading. I'll add you to my WhatsApp group and personally guide you to score 350 plus in reading. Don't study hard, study smart. Let's crack OET together at the first attempt. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share this video with your friends and colleagues. If you share this video with number of people, in that case you are getting the blessings of them by giving them the right message or right content. Thanks for watching. Stay connected. Happy learning. See you very soon with a new video. Till then, bye bye.